King back out here in beautiful Liberty, Missouri. The previous videos here, you can remember the trench and all the piles of dirt all the way around. Here it is today. It only took us 2 days, and we are complete. This is our King Piers French drain. It's basically a 3 foot by 3 foot trench, 3 foot deep, wrapped in petromat, filled with rock and a run of PVC pipe, wrapped in petromat. It's got perforated holes drilled in it, wrapped in petromat on top, about in the middle of the rock, the 3 foot of rock, and then we come back with the soil from the excavation, neatly place it in here. We're going to come back and seed it, put some mulch down, straw, and that's it. So King Piers, Liberty. If you're having water problems in your yard after rain and you've got excess water, we can control it with this system. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.